Hey guys, welcome to today's math lesson. Today, instead of using the little bears to count with, I'm going to use this new block thing that I have. So I'm going to write my first problem on it, and if you have your pencil and paper, I want you to go ahead and write this problem down as well. Of course, we're still doing addition. So the first problem we're going to go ahead and do is 3 plus 6. So let's write our number 3 down, and then the plus sign, and then 6, and then don't forget your equal sign. So 3 plus 6 equals what? And I'll write it on here too, so it's easier to see. So this is what you should have written down on your paper. 3 plus 6 equals. So let's start with our number 3. And you can use your fingers to represent each block that I'm going to put on here. But so if we need 3 blocks, I need y'all to count these with me, okay, to make sure I put the right amount on. So how many blocks is this? 1, right? Just 1. And then we have how many? 2. And then our third one. So we should stop there, right? Because now we have 3. 1, 2, 3. And now how many do we need? 6, right? So let's add 6 blue ones. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and I think one more, right? 6. So 3 over here, 1, 2, 3, and then 6 over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what was the math problem again? 3 plus 6 equals what? So we have 3 blocks here and 6 blocks here. So I think all we have to do is add them all together, right? So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 blocks all together. So I'm going to write the number 9 down. Let me go. 9, because 3 plus 6 equals 9. So I wrote my 9 on here, and I went ahead and wrote it on here as well. So you want to make sure on your piece of paper you put 3 plus 6 equals 9, because I added 3 and 6. All right, let's move on to the next problem. Let's do, which one did I just do? 3 plus 6? Let's do 7 plus 2. So write down the number 7 plus 2, and then your equal sign, and let's start a new block. Let's see. So let me write 7 plus 2, and now I need 7 blocks. So let's start with the blue ones first this time. All right, so we have to start with the number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whew, that's a lot of blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now how many should we have over here? We're doing 7 plus 2, so I need 2 more over here, because we're adding 2 more onto 7. So let's see. Let's add the 1 and 2. So now I have 2 over here. So there's 7 here and 2 over here. So what do we need to do next? We need to add them together, don't we? So that means we need to count all of them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our answer is 9. 7 plus 2 equals 9. So write the number 9 down. 9. 7 plus 2 equals 9. All right. And then another way you could look at this, instead of counting all of them together, you already know that there's 7 over here. Do y'all remember how to start counting from one number and counting up from there? Like if I wanted to count to 10, but I wanted to start from 5, I would go 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? If I wanted to count to 10 but start from 7, I would go 7, 8, 9, 10. So when you're adding, you can just start from the first number. So I know there's 7 and 2. So I can start by saying 7, 8, 9. So then I counted the 2, right? 7, 8, 9. Right? It's the same thing as adding all of them together. All right, let's move on to the next problem. Let's do 5 plus 4. So write down the number 5 plus 4 and then write your equal sign. So let's see. 5 plus 4 equals what? So this is what you should have on your piece of paper. 5 plus 4. I'm going to make sure it's on my block as well. 5, 4. So the first number is 5, so we need to add 5 blocks. I'm going to start with the yellow ones this time. So help me count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 blocks now. And now what's the second number? 4? So I need to put 4 over here because we're doing 5 plus 4. So I guess I'll use the blue blocks again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 5 blocks plus 4 blocks. So now I need to add them all together. But I don't really feel like counting every single block. So we're going to start with the number 5 and add 4 to it. So I know there's 5 here, right? 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I think the answer is 9. So just to make sure, I will count all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, it's 9. So you can write 9 as your answer. 9, 9, 9. So 5 plus 4 equals 9. So this is what should be on your paper right now. 5 plus 4 equals 9. So just to review, remember you don't have to count every single item. You can start by saying the first number. So I have 5 blocks here and I want to add 4 to it, but I don't have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can just say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it goes a lot quicker. So to do another problem like that, let's do 9 plus 4. So go ahead and write 9 plus 4 on your paper and put the equal sign. You can write it just like this, or you can write it the way we normally do. So I'll show you. There's 2 different ways to write it. So 9 plus 4, this is one way to write it. Or you can do 9 plus 4 this way. You can write it however you want, 9 plus 4. But I'm going to hold it up like this. So we're doing 9 plus 4. Now, I don't have, like I'm holding up 9 fingers right now, but I can't show 4 more, can I? Because I'm already using 9 of them, but I have to do 9 plus 4. So what I'm going to do instead of counting all the way to 9, I'm just going to say the number 9 and then add 4. So I'm going to hold up 4 fingers. I'm going to say the number 9 and then add on to here, okay? So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I think my problem is 13. That sounds like the answer, doesn't it? So let's do it again. Think about the number 9 and what comes after it. Hold up your 4 fingers to show 4. So say 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So our answer is 13. So 9 plus 4 is 13. So let's do one more problem like that when we count on from number. So it's just as easy as saying 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, like that. I could even do 20 plus something because I can start from 20 and add on, right? I can go 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So it's pretty easy once you start practicing it. So if I did, let's do 8 plus 3. So write down 8 plus 3, and I'll write it on my little whiteboard. 8 plus 3 equals, this is the problem that should be on your paper, 8 plus 3. So, I could hold up 8, but I can't really add 3 more. I only have 2 more fingers left, right? So 8. So instead of holding up 8 fingers, I'm just going to say the number 8 and count on from there, like 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, like that. And how long do I need to count on for? Only 3 times, right? So I'll hold up the number 3, and we'll start from 8. 8 plus 3. 8, 9, 10, 11. So the answer is 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. See, I added 3 onto 8, and it goes to 11. So I need everyone to try that, okay? So say 8, 9, 10, 11. So 8 plus 3 is 11. So write your number 11. So 8 plus 3 equals 11. All right, that is it for our addition lesson, but you will be doing more addition on iReady and Splash Learn. If you have any questions, please tell your parents to contact me, and I can always help you one-on-one. We can set up a Zoom meeting, and I can help explain it a little bit better. But if you have any questions, just message me, and make sure you send me a picture of all the work you did, okay? Thank you. Bye.